Here's a quick video of setting up that alarm. But before that, pay attention to the symbols of your G63 sound machine. You have the arrow back, the first button, the pause and play button, second button, the arrow forward button, which is the third button, and the M button. Those are the ones you can use. And here it is. So here's the current time right now. So you'll have to click the M button to set up the alarm. So we're going to turn off the alarm first. Long press the M button. Hour flashes. Press the pause and play button. Minute flashes. Press the pause and play button. It turns off the alarm. And then long press the M button again. Now set the time and the minutes, and then long press the arrow forward button until you see the alarm symbol. Now set the hour, set the minutes. You can turn up the minutes, and now it turns off the alarm automatically. Now you have to turn it on again by pressing the arrow forward button. So it's a bit tricky. It turns off the alarm first that you set, and then you'd have to turn it on using the arrow forward button.